Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I thought I'd share with you guys my summer essentials, the things that I've been loving this summer. So I'll be touching on my hair care, skincare, fashion, and just other random things as well. So for hair care, I have this box recommended by my hairdresser. I think it's pronounced Evo, I'm assuming. Evo the Cure. So in here there is a shampoo, a conditioner, and a hair treatment as well. If you want soft, healthy, shiny, beautiful hair, you need this. It is a little bit expensive, but you only need the tiniest bit, so in reality it's probably working out to be a similar amount. Oh, this stuff is so good. It smells so good. I've never tried a shampoo or conditioner that has made such a difference on my hair. It's insane, especially because my hair is bleached. Sometimes it can be a bit dry on the ends and frizzy and stuff. This is my savior. You need it. Even if you just get the shampoo and the hair treatment and skip out on the conditioner, that will save you a bit of money and it works just as well. So get on to that. On the same topic, I have this leave-in treatment. So it's basically just like a leave-in conditioner. I actually got it on special from Coles. I don't normally like to buy drugstore hair care because I feel like it's not that good. But I've been using this, just putting it in like the ends of my hair before I go to the beach, before I go swimming, and it just keeps that moisture in your hair and it doesn't dry your hair out as much. So I've been really liking this, but I suppose any leave-in treatment would probably do the same thing. I'm pretty sure I've also talked about this in maybe one of my favorite videos or something. I can't really remember. It's just a big hair clip. You can use any hair clip, doesn't matter, but I just find that this works so well for the summertime. Just like, my hair is pretty long. It's not overly long, but it's pretty long. And just putting it up out of the way is the best thing ever. It doesn't damage your hair like hair ties do, and it doesn't leave any kinks, and it's quick and easy. So I highly recommend that. See guys, look, I haven't used that shampoo and conditioner for probably a week and my hair is still so shiny and soft, and I've been swimming in the ocean nearly every day. My moisturizers, so I use this one for my face. It's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I've talked about this 1,000 times on this channel, but this is seriously most hydrating moisturizer I've ever used on my face. There's like just no point of trying anything else really. And I find that this is super good in the summer as well, because especially if I'm going to the beach, just summer in general, like my skin seems to get a little bit damaged by the sun. I try not to, but sometimes it does, and this just feels so nice and cold and soothing. I highly recommend trying it. You can just get it from Coles and literally anywhere, Priceline. So for my body lotion, I use this Nivea oil infused coconut oil moisturizer. It's super good. I really like it. Personally, coconut's one of my favorite scents, so that could be it. But I do feel like it moisturizes my body really well, so I'm happy with this one. If I find a better one, I'll let you guys know. I also want to share my sunscreen that I use. This is the Sunbum 50 Plus. It is 4 hours water resistant, lightweight, sweat resistant, non-greasy, gluten-free, hypoallergenic, antioxidant enriched. Basically it's really good, and I feel like it smells pretty good. For a sunscreen, I actually really like it, and it works well. So if you're looking for just like an everyday sunscreen to use on your body, I highly recommend. And moving on to fashion, I have been loving this little beach cover up just to wear over my swimmers and stuff when I go to the beach. This sarong, so it's like a wraparound skirt and it has these ties. I love this. I've had it for a really long time, so I will try to find something similar and link it in the description. But it's just the perfect length and it has ties. There's nothing worse than wearing a massive sarong to the beach and you're constantly having to like re-tie it and tuck it. It's so good. So I highly recommend it. Something so simple but also something that I've been loving this summer and has made such a difference. The next item is just this lightweight long sleeve shirt. I was going to show you the white one that I got for Christmas. It was from Target and it's really nice. If I do find it, I'll try it on and put it in this video somewhere. These are a lifesaver. I have grown up, especially in my teenage years, thinking I just want to lay in the sun and get as tanned as I possibly can and wanting to burn, which is really bad. So this year I'm going to make a conscious effort to cover up a little bit more. And these shirts are just perfect because they're really breathable. You can probably see they're pretty see-through, which means that you don't get overly hot in them. They're just so good to stop you getting burnt. And yeah, get on that. They're really cheap. Like that one's from, I don't know where it's from, but that's the brand there. But you can get them from literally anywhere, like Target, Tree of Life, those types of places. Cotton On, I think, also Kmart, I'm pretty sure, has them really cheap. My next clothing item I want to share with you guys is this little yellow boob tube dress. It has buttons on the side and you can actually wear it as a skirt, but I don't really like that length for a skirt, so I just wear it as a dress. But I'm loving this, the same sort of thing, just that breezy lightweight material is perfect for the summertime. Like no one wants to be rugged up and in very thick material in summer where you can't breathe. Especially in Australia, it's so bloody hot. So this is an essential for me. This is the brand. I got it from the Bangalore Markets, which is a local market near where I live. It was on special and I think it's just a young girl who owns the store. But like I said about the shirt, even if you don't get the exact same thing, there's plenty of other options that are similar out there. And yeah, my next clothing favorite is these shorts from Cotton On. I might do the zipper up so they look a bit better. These shorts, they're long and just the perfect wash and the perfect denim. I am so... My memory card just filled up, but like I was saying, these shorts are really great because I remember they're also a bit dirty, don't mind that. I remember when I was younger, I used to love wearing really short shorts. I do not want that anymore. It's not a vibe for half of your bum to be sticking out the bottom. So having ones that are a little bit longer are super comfortable and super great, and they have lots of room for your legs as well and your bum. I highly recommend them. I'll try to link them in description as well. Alright, moving on to just random other things that I've been loving this summer. One of them being this beach towel. It's a Turkish towel, and if you guys haven't tried one of these lightweight Turkish towels before, I highly recommend. They're so much better than the normal thick towels. These ones dry so quickly and they're just so light and easy to take anywhere you want because they roll up so small and so easily. My next summer essential is this beach bag. Funniest thing, I was wanting one of these bags for so long. I think it was a year or two ago. I was thinking about it, like just thinking about how badly I wanted one. I went op shopping in Bangalore, walk in, and there was a free section out the front and this was in it. Manifested this basket. I love it. It's perfect for the beach. You can fit all your things in, and baskets are just so much better than massive bags and things. I don't know. I've just been loving my basket. They do sell them in health food stores and things like that, but I've also seen them on Facebook Marketplace as well. I don't know if this is real leather. If it is, I don't love that it is leather, but I know on Facebook Marketplace I've seen a lady sell baskets that have no leather straps on them, So I do recommend you guys getting those over ones that do have leather straps. I cannot talk, I'm getting tongue twisted. So the last thing I want to share with you is podcasts I've been loving. I have been loving going for walks or being in the car and listening to podcasts. It's just my new thing. I remember there was a big hype about it ages ago and I thought I wasn't too keen on it, but I actually really love it. My favorite podcasts are The Girl Code with Madison Woolley and The Girls Bathroom. They are just both just so funny and entertaining, and I just love listening to them. If you're looking for a new podcast to try, those two are really good. They are a bit girly, so it's up to you if you want to watch them or not. Anyways guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below some of your summer essentials so we can all share ours together. I'll see you guys in my next video very, very soon. Bye!